Okay, so we're going to be looking at positioning a transfer on the t-shirt. So we take our t-shirt, hold it by the two corners to try to keep it as straight as possible, drag it across the heat platen, and we're going to drop the collar just barely over the edge. We do not want to heat press on part of the collar. You got a good chance you're going to end up with an odd crease line in the middle of the shirt that's going to look a little bit goofy. So again, you're going to pull the shirt, drop it just over the edge, always pulling at the two corners so you get it pretty straight. And then you're going to have something that looks like these. These are our guides for placement. This kit has 4 sizes. And we are putting on an adult shirt, so we picked the adult size one. This is where the collar starts, and this is where the image will start. So we're going to line that up, make sure we're good and centered. That's lined up with the top of the collar. This is where the image will start. And you also want to be careful when you're placing your image that you are actually placing the image exactly where the guide stops. You're not placing the film where the guide stops. You're placing the actual image directly where the guide stops. And we're going to pull this out. We do not want to heat press this. Close the heat press, do everything else like you regularly would. What if we're doing a left chest? So the left chest is a little bit different. We are again placing this, but when you're looking at where to print the left chest on a t-shirt, you look for right here, where the collar meets the shoulder, and where this seam is right here, you draw a line straight down. On the small, that's at 3.5. On 3.5 is going to be the center for our artwork, right like that. Again, it starts at the bottom of the white line. We're centering our image on the shoulder seam like that. 3.5, and that's going to be good right there. And again, we do not want to press it in heat press. Once you figure out what the measurement is, which you may have to measure every size differently, an extra large and a small won't be placed in the exact same position. But once you know what size it is, 3.5, press it.